today's video, we're doing probably the easiest craft we've done together so far, which I'm kind of excited about. And I know, guys, I keep preaching to you that it's getting colder outside. Well, it's getting really cold outside. There's snow on the ground where I'm from, or where I'm living. So I need to do this craft for me and to help you guys out because your girl's struggling out here in the cold. Today we are making fingerless gloves. So like you'll see. Fingers out because I'm always on my phone. I need my fingers, but I'm also really cold, so I need the gloves. And these make the cutest gloves. Thanks for tuning in to Sock City, and let's get started on this fun, easy craft. Okay guys, this is probably the easiest craft I have ever done and that we might ever do on this channel. But we made these cutesy little fingerless gloves. You're wondering, but I need my fingers warm too? Well, I need to be able to use my phone. So here are these bad boys. And they're the perfect length because they're not too long, but they'll go like right underneath my sleeve. And diamonds are the girl's best friend, am I right? Okay. So these are so cute. And they're perfect for using my phone and staying warm this winter. Seriously guys, this is so easy. These both keep me so warm, and I'm gonna wear these out today because it's super cold today. But anyway, please make these and take a picture and tag us on our Instagram. And don't forget to check out sockcity.com to pick out your favorite socks to make your cutesiest gloves. And thanks for watching. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Okay, thanks. Bye.